Let's take a little commute on the old 2018 BMW G310GS. So, it does have a cool feature that the R doesn't have, and that is switchable ABS. .34 horsepower, 380 pounds essentially, depends what you're reading. It is a machine with a 19-inch front wheel, so we can do some really cool stuff with that bad boy and get some more off-road tires. It's already got Mitsubishi Tolerances on it right now, as you can see, which is going to be fun for us later tonight, because we're going to do more than just ride this beast home. We're going to take it for a little toot up the side of a dirt mountain. And we're going to do that probably 2 up so that we can experience this machine on the street in an urban environment, which it was intended for. Come on, people, look at that sloppy chain job. And then also, off-road, a little mountain carving on the way up there. Come on, old man, get off the cell phone. Jesus Christ. Same instrumentation, obviously. We got a digital tachometer, speedometer, gear indicator, timepiece, fuel meter up here. We got our odometer, trip 1, trip 2, engine temperature, range on tank. We've got our consumption averages. We got our instantaneous, average speed, date, and setup, which takes us to set up our timepiece and our date. And that is all. Over here we got our ABS button. It's going to be turning our ABS on and off. Simple controls with run cycle, start button, twist throttle, with a little cable down there. High beam, low beam, intermittent flash, left and right turn signals, horn button, all the normal jazz. There's a big old luggage rack on the back. You can throw heated grips, top box, from factory components, accessory socket. Some on the old dock here on the 17th, and it's going to be outfitted with a navigation cradle. Whew, wind. Simple, easy little machine. For like a first motorcycle, man, to get on a freaking BMW, 3-year warranty, payments around $112 with top tier credit, you're sitting fancy. You get on the R model for $1,000 less. Look at these guys, they got them funky pedal bikes. Mine's got a motor, I like it better. It feels good. You can feel the difference in that 19-inch front wheel, weight difference. Heavier tires with that little Tolerance over some street tires. Oh, 55, and I wish I had 7th gear. Wind protection for the chest and core, it's freaking awesome. Hits me right under my neck. Keeps my core pretty well protected as a 5'7" rider. Your legs are a little bit more out there, a little more exposure. Not the fastest bike in the shed, but I bet I could still take out that Harley Davidson. Go find out. The bandana's gonna slow him down, it's extra drag. It doesn't match the jacket. can't get anywhere in town. Everyone's talking on the phone. I'm talking to you guys, but at least I'm paying attention talking to you guys. So I'm like in an urban environment. That's what I liked about the G310R. It's so small, light, flickable. It's not intimidating to other pilots. I'm like, oh, the guy's just riding around on a little cricket bike. You know, here racing people, causing a scene, loud exhaust, just a good little 71 miles to the gallon commuter. Well, the Harley caught up to me in traffic. I heard him back there rumbling along. I better downshift and get away. Dang, every time you think you can get a hole, somebody run up and screws you. Closing the doors are the most defensive drivers out there, man. Gotta close the door on that guy. He gonna pass me. And that's why they call me Mr. B. If this is the first time you've listened to me talking in the freaking speaker, I bitch a lot. Mr. B. Well, Jason Adams came up with that. One of my boys from the race team. Mate, he's always bitching. Could have gone faster, could have met this, could have met that. And I think we're gonna have, it just feels totally different. Its rear sprocket geared the same as the, was it a 40 tooth, I believe? Heavier than the old G310R on the top end. Like I was gonna get a little bit more speed, and I'm upright. I wonder if that has just a little bit more wind protection for me than the R model, and it's using aerodynamics, which doesn't make sense. It's freaking heavier motorcycle. It's 370 pounds, and they're or 380 pounds. They're 350. Really super light clutch pull on the thing too, so it'd be easy to take even the smallest piloto and get them happily riding around one of these without fatiguing them excessively. It's comfortable though. You feel a little forward slide in the saddle. I guess I could sit back and try, but I'm sure I like to ride nuts in the tank. If I get all the way back, I have a hard time reaching the bars. Turn signals. Not auto canceling. Most of the guys I throw out on demo rides on the G310R are mostly impressed with the torque. They can just roll along in 6th gear up the side of the mountain with 220 pound plus bodies and pull themselves along at a 45 mile an hour clip. I'm going to come to a complete stop. No California rolls from me, baby. Breaking the law. Yeah, suspension, especially. Look how soft. Oh, there's our coworker up there. Already caught him. They can't break away from the Nate. I'll just pass them all off in the freaking off-road section right here. The motorcycle is a dangerous weapon. See the brake dive I'm talking about? I'll need to stiffen up this suspension. I'm a 150 pound pilot, man. on, you clusters. If you're all on motorcycles, that wouldn't have happened. You would have been able to fit 4 of you through. Notorious like BMW, it's a really soft. Well, maybe I just needed to use the rear brake. It just felt really soft. Of course, it's probably the first time the rear brake's been used on this motorcycle. Definitely doesn't throw off a lot of heat. But you got nice non-adjustable inverted forks. You have preload adjustment in the rear shock, by Brembo brakes, still braided brake lines. For $112 a month. So I need some comments. Throw me some comments. Let me know what you guys are thinking about with the G310GS. If you've either been interested in one, haven't seen one, or if you have ridden one, what your opinion was on this machine. That's if you made it through my whole boring first section of the vlog here, because I'm going to take this beast off-road and play here in a little bit. We're going to go get down. But that's first, after a 2-up ride, I'm going to do some 2-up action. Oh, people running into each other all over the place. Hey, man. Oh, man. That's my homie from the party that we did down in the Holiday Inn. Oh well, I want to check back in with you guys here in a little bit. Thanks for watching so far.